How to unbox and set up the HP DeskJet 2800, 2800E, 4200, 4200E, Ultra 4900, and Ultra 4900E printer series. Open the box and remove the included documents. Lift the cardboard insert and remove it from the box. Open the cardboard insert to remove the tricolor and black ink cartridges as well as the power cord. Next, set the box on its side. Remove the printer from the box. Remove the cardboard end caps. Remove the plastic from around the printer. Remove the long piece of tape securing the output tray and then open the tray. Remove the tape from the top of the printer. The other end of the tape strip is attached to cardboard inside the printer. Open the cartridge access door. Remove the cardboard insert from the cartridge access area. Close the cartridge access door and then close the output tray. While holding down the scanner lid, carefully rotate the printer to rest on its back. Remove the tape that secures the cleanout door. Rotate the printer back to its original position. Plug in the printer using the power cord. Plug the other end into an outlet. HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Open the output tray. Lift the scanner lid. Remove the protective plastic sticker from both sides of the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Press the power button to turn the printer on. To install printer software, scan the QR code on the setup guide or go to 123.hp.com. Search for your printer, and then click Next. Select Install HP Smart. You are then taken to your App Store to download the free HP Smart app. Download HP Smart and follow the prompts to set up the app on your computer. To set up the printer, select Set up a new printer. HP Smart searches for your printer on the network. Once the search completes, select the printer from the results. Select Continue on the printer setup screen. HP Smart asks to access your Wi-Fi password to automatically connect the printer to your network. Select Continue to connect your printer to the network. HP Smart configures the printer and connects it to the Wi-Fi network. For added security, a pop-up appears asking you to press the information button on the printer to confirm proximity. Press the information button on the printer. On the printer connected to Wi-Fi page, click Continue. The next page goes over HP privacy and data collection consent. Read through carefully and then select Accept All. Depending on your country or region, you might encounter sign-up screens for HP Plus, which gives you access to advanced printing features. Click Continue to sign up for HP Plus or select Do not activate HP Plus to skip this section. This video will continue with signing up for HP Plus. Click Activate HP Plus. You are then prompted to create an HP account. If you already have an account, click Sign In. If not, fill out the information and then click Create. Next, you'll be asked to verify your email address. Check your email and enter the provided code. Then, click Verify. Add your mobile number and then click Continue. Your HP Plus benefits are now activated. On the Security Notice page, click Continue. Select either the Auto Update or the Notify option on the printer update screen and then click Apply. The HP Smart app then guides you through loading paper, installing ink cartridges, and printing an alignment page. Load paper. Pull out the paper input tray to its locked position. Extend the paper width guide. Load the paper into the tray. Adjust the paper width guide. Pull out the output tray extension. Install the ink cartridges. Remove the black cartridge from its package. Hold the cartridge by its sides and pull the tab to remove the plastic tape without touching the contacts or ink nozzles. Open the cartridge access door. The carriage moves to the center of the cartridge access area. Push the cartridge into the right slot until it snaps into place. Repeat these steps to install the tricolor setup cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door. Align the print heads. After installing the ink cartridges, a printer alignment page prints. Lift the scanner lid. Remove the alignment page from the output tray and place it print side down on the scanner glass where indicated. Lower the scanner lid. Press the copy button to start the alignment. When the printer is idle and silent, the alignment process is complete. After you complete the alignment, click Finish Setup. HP Smart brings you to the Print from Other Devices page, which lets you download printing software onto other devices. Depending on your preference, select Skip Sending Link or Send Link. The printer setup is complete, and your HP DeskJet printer is now set up for printing and scanning. You can click Print to print out a welcome overview page, or click Skip Printing Page to continue to the HP Smart home screen. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.